Building a brand is important for attracting new clients, reaching your ideal customers, and retaining those customers and turning them into lifelong supporters of your brand. In this video, we're going to walk through each step to building a memorable brand that stands out from the competition. Hi, my name is Lexi. My channel is all about small business, marketing, branding, and selling online. I built an online business 8 years ago, and I opened a storefront last year. And these steps I'm about to go through are the exact steps I took to brand my business and attract my ideal customers. Let's get into it. A brand is a set of images, colors, and voice that come together to create a unique brand. Your branding is the first thing the public notices about you and has the potential to make or break your company. The first thing you need to do is create your buyer persona. This is really locking in who your target audience is. Who are you talking to and who are you making content for? Knowing exactly who you're talking to will help you know what to say and how to say it. Narrowing down your target audience will save you time and money in marketing and increase engagement in sales. Typically, businesses will create 2 to 5 buyer personas. When you're creating your buyer persona, you'll want to ask yourself some questions about them. Age, occupation, income, budget, hobbies. You can give your buyer personas a name and a face if you want. Next, you'll write a story about each of your buyer personas, what they've achieved, their goals, their home life, what they like to do for fun. Write this story based on their buying decisions. What's influencing them to buy? What's keeping them from buying? The last thing is to continue to update your buyer personas. Since people in the world are constantly changing, you need to make sure you stay updated. After you've created your buyer personas, you're going to research your competitors. Making up where your competition lacks will help you stand out from the crowd. Write down each of your competitors' strengths and weaknesses, how they're able to stand out and build a brand, and ask yourself how you can better serve your customers. The next step is clearly defining your brand's purpose or mission statement. What do you want your brand to accomplish? Why does your company exist, and what problem is it solving? What's the reason your customers choose you over the competition and keep coming back to you? Your mission statement should be clear and concise and help you make decisions in every aspect of your business. This will help you attract your ideal customer and stand out from the competition. Your brand personality should show up in every aspect of your business. Social media and marketing, website design, packaging and shipping, and communication and email. This consistency of brand voice will build trust with current and future clients. A good way of doing this is building a brand persona. How would your brand persona post on Instagram or communicate with your clients? The next step is to build a brand story. A brand story can help you connect with people on a personal level. Here's a little formula for developing your brand story. One of your customer personas needs something. Make this emotional and personal so your potential customers can relate. Next, show your customer why your company is the answer to what they need. Give an example of what would happen if someone didn't choose your company. Last, show what your customer can look forward to after choosing your brand. You can subtly take your customer through this story everywhere your brand shows up. The last thing I'm going to talk about is the colors, fonts, and visuals of your brand. Different colors can evoke different emotions. For example, bright, warm colors evoke energy and happiness, while cool colors are soothing and calming. And choosing the right fonts are just as important as choosing the right colors. Make sure you pick a font that works well with your overall brand voice. Okay, that is the end of our branding journey. Thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, I appreciate you. Let me know if you have any questions about anything in the comments, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!